Imagine waking up every morning, checking your mining rig, and seeing a whopping $66,000 in your account, all from mining Dogecoin. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you it's actually possible? In today's video, we're breaking down the easiest way to mine Dogecoin and make serious money doing it. Whether you're a beginner or already in the game, this is your ultimate guide to maximizing profits with Doge mining. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, optimize, and scale your mining operation to potentially hit that massive daily payout. Let's dive in. Dogecoin Doge was established as a meme, but now it is one of the world's most well-known cryptocurrencies. What people do not know is that Doge is capable of more than being stored in a wallet. It can generate enormous daily profits. Through cloud mining, Dogecoin holders are able to make up to $66,000 a day without intricate setups or high-end hardware. Among the top cloud mining platforms that are working well in the Doge is Kesminer, allowing investors to turn their digital currency investments into a consistent source of passive income. Instead of waiting for price surges, investors are now using Kesminer's AI-driven cloud mining solutions so they can have maximum returns with ease. Conventional crypto mining relies on expensive hardware, expertise, and large electricity bills. Cloud mining evades all these barriers, enabling customers to lease mining power from distant data centers and gain daily stable returns. Why cloud mining with Kesminer? No expensive rigs, no electricity or maintenance fees, daily payments for passive income, accessible for both new and veteran investors. What is Kesminer? Kesminer is one of the top cloud mining providers, founded in 2016, offering simple and extremely profitable mining services. With more than 100 mining farms worldwide and 8.53+ million investor users, Kesminer is a secure option for investors who want to maximize their mining returns. Why investors adore Kesminer? AI-optimized mining technology for optimal efficiency, return on investment with daily payments, multi-cryptocurrency support, such as Doge, BTC, ETH, UST, and BEN. Renewable energy mining, strong security features to safeguard investor capital. Dogecoin holders are making $66,000 daily with Kesminer. Numerous Dogecoin holders are using cloud mining to earn good daily returns. Rather than keeping their Doge idle, they are turning their holdings into mining power that generates up to $66,000 per day. How to register and start mining with Kesminer? It's really easy to get started with Kesminer. Simply follow these steps. Register. Go to the official Kesminer website and register with one-click registration. Download the app on iOS and Android for convenient mobile usage. Select an investment plan. Select an investment plan according to your wealth aspirations. Invest in Dogecoin, Doge, Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or UST. Activate mining. The AI mining process will automatically start mining. Reinvest and track. View your earnings and reinvest to supercharge your wealth accumulation. Kesminer track record and benefits. From its inception in 2016, Kesminer has established itself as a reliable, profitable, and transparent platform. With more than 8.53 million users registered globally, the platform has enabled thousands of investors to enjoy financial freedom using cloud mining. Top features of Kesminer: immediate $10 joining bonus. No secret fees or maintenance fees. Affiliate program with up to $3,000 referral bonus. Guaranteed daily payouts with high profitability. 24/7 customer support and industry-leading securitization. Up or download the app today. If you're looking to maximize your Dogecoin holdings and earn daily passive income, then Kesminer is your best opportunity. Join thousands of Doge enthusiasts who are cashing in up to $66,000 per day. Click below to download the official app and register in just one click. Register now and guarantee your passive income. Final thoughts: Dogecoin investors can now bid adieu to waiting for price fluctuation to earn a profit. The best investors are utilizing cloud mining to earn enormous amounts of money every day. You can convert your Doge into a long-term source of income using Kesminer. Don't leave your Dogecoin idle. Begin mining today and own your financial future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for never miss any crypto updates. See you soon.